How you doing? Greg McLeod here from the Forex Cash Machine, and we are scalping the Aussie yen, and we were just talking about that, and we are just going to our targets very quickly, and we are just we shorted Aussie yen 67.20, 67.0003, end price rapidly moving to target. Limited out one. We have some others here. We can see that we have been just basically scaling out. And we talked about this trade in the Facebook group. And so I actually found, we looked at the Forex heat map. Aussie yen was at the last spot. I talked about the 5-minute rally against the 4-hour downtrend, and we saw this set up with my market heat map. Now you can go to mymarketheatmap.com and get access to this. It's a one-time subscription, one-time payment, lifetime subscription to this powerful tool. And I just looked at the chart. I see red is moving down, and then I said the short-term trend is moving up. And so, let me go ahead and start shorting this. So this is where the heat map showed me what was up, and I've got a lot of trades here. You look at, we can start closing some of these out. Some of these trades. I'm leaving this fat one up here for last, and we can see that we're closing this out one by one. And see, guys, I showed you what the trade was, showed you how I located the trade, and that's what I do. This is what I do every day. This is what my students do every day. In fact, I've had one of my students, she did 100% in her account, 190 pips yesterday, and she's crushing this market. And we're crushing this market too, coming down to a level of support of 66.81. And pigs get fed. What, bulls get fed, bears get fed, pigs get slaughtered, and we're up 27 pips. We're gonna go ahead and take that. All right. So we took all those trades based on a trend line break, and I can show you what that trend line break looks like. And I actually posted it in the Facebook group. So if you're not a member of my Facebook group, you need to join, because this is some money that you guys could have picked up. I walked you through the trade, walked you through the entry, what to look for. We had a 4-hour downtrend, 4-hour market tide. When this thing rallied up against the tide, it was running against Fibonacci projections, and so we were able to get a pretty good chunk of money right there, all on Aussie yen, getting it in various positions and closing those out. Okay, so if you have any questions, you click the link below. If you want to be join mentorship, and people ask me, well, what's the cost of mentorship? I tell you, it costs you how much money are you missing not being in mentorship with me? How much? And I get people that say, well, it's too much money, but if you keep losing money, and losing money, then eventually you're going to pay for the course anyway. You're either going to pay the market, and you're not going to get any smarter from losing to the market, or you can invest in yourself. You're worth it. You can do this. I'm your guide. I look forward to helping you and training you. You might say, well, I don't know if I could do it. Well, if you can bake brownies and you can follow instructions to bake cakes, well, then you could probably bake some pips, right? It's just a matter of following instructions, being focused and being disciplined, following a proven path. I showed you how it's done. I walked you through the trade, and I can lead a horse to water, but can you make them drink? No. And chances are this may not be for you. Mentorship may not be the way for you to go. Some people only learn by burning themselves, and then some people never ever succeed. Some people wandered 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years trying to learn how to trade, when really you can learn this stuff in like 90 days, and you can live the life of your dreams. Well, anyway, I look forward to seeing you on the other side, seeing you in mentorship. click the link, watch the entire video. A lot of people, they just sign up for the call and they never watch the entire video, but I'm teaching and training you. And you are where you are right now is because maybe you're not teachable, maybe you're not coachable, because you didn't watch the entire video. You watched part of it and you turned it off. Or you'll see some testimonies and you say, oh, those people, blah, blah, blah. Those people could be you. And, you celebrate other people's victories, and then in turn you learn something from their story. So that's why I include them in there, not to brag, but to inspire you, to get you excited about the market, to show that it's possible that these average people could do it. You can do it too. And I believe in you, but you have to believe in yourself, and you have to be willing to invest in yourself, because, frankly, if you have nothing to offer, you can't receive anything, and maybe you can't, it's about investing. And when you invest, then it returns back to you. Cast your bread upon the water, it will return to you multiplied. You can't invest in yourself, then you have the results that you have. That's what life's all about. Okay? You have to be your truth and be your success and be worth it to invest in yourself. Okay? So anyway, enough of that. This is what we did. A lot of trades and no losses, and that's how we roll. All right, this is Greg McLeod signing out for the Forex Cash Machine. Cheers, bye.
If you want to learn more about profiting from the Forex market, go to www.theforexcashmachine.com and sign up for a free training webinar. Get the secrets from Greg as he reveals how to earn limitless income. Learn more to earn more.